DS Diamond here, December 21st at Tide at English Landing Marina. I'm going to do an after clean video, and we also installed a 1-inch shaft sink. Unless there is a specific reason we do this collar sink. Going forward, after the collar sink wears, we're going to just use two 1-inch shaft sinks and help point out where the other one will set right in front of the one I installed between it and the strip. But the customer also asked about the paint condition, and it is looking a little it's getting a little spotty, but it's still doing its job pretty good, except on the keel, on the bottom pretty much, and on your rudder, but nothing on the integrity of the hull. Let's go take a look.